Hello, welcome back to the 4610 project. As you might have seen in the last video, I got the engine running again. Since then, I've gotten all the airbox and radiator shroud all back together, and everything's fit nicely now, so that's fine. So that is pretty much this section dealt with. So one problem I've had recently is this tyre is, well, it's been beaten and flat for a while. You see the inner tube. Well, that matters because it's all deformed now, get your knee in it. So, Dad had the bright idea. I've got some John Deere tyres that we can fit. Measured bolt holes across. Yeah, that measures all right. So, off camera, just now, I took the flat tyre off and with a bit of help from the forklift, I got this rim on. And yeah, the threads fit on there lovely. It is such a lovely fit. But the inside here doesn't fit properly to the hub. So we've got to find something else to do because that rim isn't going to work, sadly. It would have been nice. The only thing wrong with this is somewhere along here it is, there's a massive drip crack spanning about there, which I would have to weld up. Because that's why we took these rims off the old 6310, which I did a video of with the four-wheel drive seal. So yeah, could have welded that up, would have been nice. It fitted all right, apart from the hub. So those are useless. So now I've got the problem of I still need tyres. It would be nice to get some bigger ones because the problem with this has always been that the arse end of it sits lower than I'd like it. It's noticeable from the side when you've got it actually on the tyres. These are 12.4/1136s. The rim is, how big's the rim? The rim is roughly 38 inches across, like that. This centre needs to be about 5.5 inches, 140 mil, roughly. So if anybody has got an idea on what size would be better, because I just want it to sit a little bit higher up, but I can't remember what it was. If I go from the centre, I can't really go too much larger. I want to be about, I think if I measure from there, I want to be about 29 inches from that lip. So if anybody's got any ideas on some bigger tyres that I could fit, or if anybody knows of any tyre and rims for sale, let me know down in the comments. But for now, we're abandoning back ends because that was just a bit of a diversion. We're not worried about the back end in it. It's lovely and flat. Because I haven't actually finished the front axle, I'm fucking about with the back axle. Because I haven't even finished the steering. Everything's still loose, it's just in there. So I think we're going to have a go at that today. Get that all down and nice, tight. that last bit, we were struggling just to get the steering piece onto the axle. This is a new shaft. I've beaten it up a little bit, I will admit. But the inside of here had actually gotten a small burr at the top here, which was just causing it enough to stop it going down. So I was getting a little bit frustrated, and as a result, with the copper hide hammer, I've got to repaint this, but I've pretty much got to repaint the pieces of the front axle anyway, because I keep having to move pieces on and off like the wheels, and putting this back together isn't exactly painless. So that'll be painted back on in situ if I get the key. So now, drops in as it should. The seal hides up in this little skirt. We put the bolt in, we tighten it up. Job's a good one. Because at the minute I haven't really got the weight of the axle on here, but this little stool is just keeping the pin pushed up. That way we've got this sat down, we can tighten this up so it's in the position it should. So this piece and this piece should be holding the weight equally. But I think it's this piece that holds most of the weight anyway, but you know, we've given it a better fighting chance. So I'll get some grease onto this as we put it back together, and then we'll do the same to the other side, because the other side fits together a treat. I just haven't put any grease on it. So yeah.